A common question that we get is if or when kids should actually start exercising. Big thing to think of is that exercising, you can actually think of it more as just being active instead of just exercising. You don't want to put this kind of label on it that it has to be like done in a certain manner and all strict and everything. Kids and all of our bodies are meant to move and thrive on it. So, a good example would be getting outside, riding a bike, going to a park, just having some fun, playing a sport, whatever it may be. It's going to be really important to start that and be active and consistent with that. This is helpful to develop their core strength, their functionality, enjoy this in life, and not be very stagnant while they're growing. Their bodies are meant to move, and they actually develop functionality and accessibility for life while they are doing this. No age is too young for this. So just get out, have some fun, encourage that, and it'll only help them in the long term.